Yo, 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 here on the Jersey Shore, spiritual enlightenment is here. Well, hello. This is a special dispatch today from the Jersey Shore. So we have left beautiful San Diego County and the La Jolla coastline, and we're here in beautiful Normandy Beach in the legendary Jersey Shore. So, yo, 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 here on the Jersey Shore, spiritual enlightenment is here. So you may have heard of GTL if you, like me, are a lover of the old school reality show Jersey Shore. One of the best of all times, clearly, but I'm here to suggest a different GTL as we go into fall for fall 2023. And I know, you change seasons, it's the end of the summer, there's a lot of disappointment and really seasonal sadness that the good weather is coming to a close. We're going back into the low light levels, it's going to be cold. So why don't we think about GTL for fall 2023? So G, gratitude, T, transformation, and L, love. So I want everyone to keep a mindset of gratitude. When you are grateful, when you're in a grateful mindset, you are so much happier. And the most important thing is that the priorities, the important things in your life, they come right to the surface, and those other things that don't matter, they recede away like a sandcastle being washed away by the high tide. And another really important factor when it comes to gratitude is to stay off social media. Mark Twain wrote that comparison is the death of joy, and that is so true. So if you judge the rest of the world by social media, you would think that everyone lives in a gigantic, recently renovated, perfectly decorated, sparkling clean home, has the perfect relationship, the perfect kids, the perfect body, the perfect face. It's all fake. It's all fake to make you feel bad about yourself and be a perfect little voracious consumer and spend what you don't even have. And it's fake anyway, so you're not even buying into something real. The people that make that content would, I'm sure, willingly admit it's fake. They're doing it for a living. Why shouldn't they make it as perfect looking as possible? So next is T, transformation. I'm talking the big transformation of mind, body, and spirit. So I want you to feed really good input mentally, really getting into a great mental paradigm, mindset shift towards more positive, optimistic, loving, compassionate mindset. And next is my body. Eating a salad, working out, drinking water, sleeping, it does transform you. And lastly, spirit. I'm talking spiritual transformation. Our spirits are a vessel that is neutral in the sense that they can be filled with anything that comes your way, good, bad, or indifferent. So I want you to feed your spirit, fill your spiritual vessel with good, inspiring ideas, passionate emotions, and a love for all of humanity and the greater good. Finally, love. We have really bottomed out as a society in terms of loving one another and loving ourselves. So I want you to focus on putting love out there in the world, and most importantly, loving the most important person in the world, and that is yourself. Love yourself. So this fall, remember, GTL, gratitude, transformation, and love. And I am sending you so much love from the legendary Jersey Shore. Thank you so much for spending time with me here on my channel, Desert Mountain Apothecary. I'm William C. Brennan, founder of Desert Mountain Apothecary, author of upcoming ebook, Natural Lifestyle Optimization, and with lots of love. Until next time, you are worth it, you matter, and you are enough.